Hello, everybody. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're watching me from. It's your girl, Susan. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, Susan Herbal Tips. I get you some medicinal plants and living a healthy lifestyle. My old subscribers, my new subscribers, thank you for being part of this amazing family. And for those of you who never subscribe, what are you still waiting for? Subscription are free. The only thing you just need to do and make you click on that subscription button. You can go on the notification bell so that anytime where I drop any of my video, you go there among the first people will go see my video. Yes, today I want to talk about some sickness. Some sickness will not get cured. Now I want to talk about today, but no wahala. It can be treated, it can be managed, but it cannot be cured. It's not the end of the world. People can live with them. Number one for my list now, hepatitis B. Where they see they call them HBV, hepatitis B virus. Some people will constantly ask me, how wetin dey cause this hepatitis B wey not get cure? So yes, autoimmune disease they cause am. Some toxins like alcohol they cause am. Some certain drugs too then they cause am because na liver problem. Yes, and how person can fit take carry this sickness we dey talk about. So some mother fit transfer am if they don't get am through their children, and it can be deadly if they not detect am on time, because this hepatitis B where they talk today, e fit kill, because na chronic disease wey be say e dey cause cirrhosis, and even e can go see dey cause cancer of the liver too. Una see am. So this hepatitis B wey they talk about, so they even dey see am for saliva, they see am for blood. So e good way be say if una want do blood transfusion and all those one, maybe somebody won't give una blood, make una check whether the person blood e dey okay. Even through semen, yes, person fit still contact am. E dey for tongue, you know me say person go fit for saliva, you know me say somebody go fit give am to you through spit, or maybe if una use the same spoon eat, person go fit give am to you. No, e no dey work like that. So the second one for my list na diabetes. Yes, some people go constantly ask me, wetin be this diabetes where they talk about today? So yes, diabetes na another sickness wey be say e no dey show for face too. Person wey get am, e go just dey live normal life. You go just think say the person dey okay. Diabetes na one of the sickness where I dey fear, because e no dey show for face. So some people go constantly ask, wetin be the sign of say this diabetes e dey person body? Person go come dey get blood vision. You know, go dey see where again, go be like say something dey cover your eye, you know, dey see where. Or maybe you dey tasty all the time, you go want to drink water all the time. Or maybe you go dey eat, you hungry, you no hungry, but that sensation of you want to eat, it go just dey there, you go just dey eat, and say you dey always dey pee all the time. And if you can't pee for ground, say ants dey surround your pee. Now that one I say sugar dey too much for your pee. Or maybe you get injury, the injury, you know, they quick go. Yes, these ones now some of the signs. But some people go constantly ask, okay, we don't get these signs now, we don't get this thing, wetin we supposed to dey avoid? Yes, a lot of things dey wey you go avoid. Number one na carbohydrate. Una know say some of all this carbohydrate food dey starchy. Yes, all this carbohydrate we would dey eat, they go come after all those enzymes, they don't break am down, come turn am to sugar, we go come give our body energy. We will take they do wetin we dey do. But if you don't get diabetes, you no go come need that sugar again, because you don't already get enough for your blood. So you no go come need them again. You go come dey avoid all those things like white rice. You no go come need them again. In place of white rice, you feel they eat that brown rice. Yes. In place of swallow, maybe you dey like pounded yam or those swallow food wey be say get starch, like starch, all those pounded yam. You feel they use xylem husk fit take they make your swallow take they eat. Bread, those white bread, you no go need them. You can switch to the wheat bread. Like I said before, diabetes is not get cure, but if it go for remission, wetin I use that word mean? Once you don't dey do the things where you supposed to dey do, wey be say your sugar level you don dey balance am, e go come go relax, e go come rest. That not to say you no get am because you no get cure, you still get am. But the time when you go come dey eat all the things where you not supposed to dey eat, e go come be say you dey give am wings, make it take dey fly. The diabetes, e go come back again, you know. So for this condition, na make you come dey eat healthy. You come quit all those smoking where you dey smoke, all those drink where you dey drink, so that you go come dey live that healthy lifestyle wey I dey preach about. Then your diabetes, e go come go remission. You go come dey live normal life, because this diabetes, especially if they no quick diagnose am, e dey affect men in a way where e be say they are this thing, e no go dey get up again. If they get up before all of a sudden the thing come dey sleep, e go just, you go try make you wake and e no go gree wake again, but because the person don't get diabetes. Maybe now diagnosed diabetes now the person get, we go dey affect in manhood, we go come dey make in manhood they get up again. No be only get up, if e even affect and say e no even fit come give woman belle again. So na see and say na one disease wey get different roots, wey be say e dey cause different things. You don't still watch me reach this level, you never still consider say you won't share me out. Share me out to your community, share me to your Facebook, share me to your WhatsApp group. So many people feel they will go just still want to make them know wetin dey wrong with them, but they no go know. But when they go come still see these signs, these symptoms where I drop, so then go come still go follow am, or go for hospital, go get diagnosed, say now this thing now in the read they worry me. The third one for my list na hypertension. Hypertension, e no get cure. Before I go further, some people go dey ask me say hypertension and high blood pressure, whether na the same? Yes, na the same. BP na high blood pressure na the same, no be two different things. Say your artery they pump the blood fast to your wall, now go come make the blood pressure go come dey high, and it can kill. If it cause a lot of things like that diabetes where I still talk just now, up to heart, it go affect am. If they disorganize body, una know say they always dey talk and say once one sickness don dey body, or any organ don be as they get, all the body they don dey disorganized. This hypertension where they talk, so e no get cure. No, e no get cure at all. And but you can manage it, and you can be able to treat it, but you cannot cure it. So many things the way you go still quit to dey do, like drinking and smoking, na part of am. Once they don't diagnose you of this disease, you're not supposed to dey do all these certain things where they talk about. Some food they will be say you no go just they eat again. You can't they take life slowly. I know say everybody they stress up. One or two things feel they stress you. If you even be say that hypertension where you get, no be at that hypertension where you get now symptom of other disease where they your body, now can they make your blood pressure the high. That is why I always preach that we should go to the hospital to go and get a diagnosis. It might just be you're battling a kidney problem, or you're battling a liver problem. You will not know that you are battling all those diseases. So you can't get high blood pressure. Unknowingly to you, now that kidney problem or the liver problem, now they make your blood the high. Are you getting it? At the end of the day, two sickness not already the body, but at the high blood pressure, now it bring head out. And at the end of the day, then go come they treat your high blood pressure. But the main roots of the problem, which is the kidney or the liver or any other thing where they make your blood pressure the high, it will be left untreated. Are you guys getting it? So for that simple reason, always go to the hospital to get a diagnosis. Okay, like I talk for the diabetes case just now, there are things that you can be doing too, so that you go dey very okay. Like I mentioned all those green leafy vegetable where you go to eat, fruits. Let that be your main fruit. Anything green, let them be your food. It will bring the sugar in your blood. It will help you to bring it down. Leafy vegetable. Hypertension and diabetes. Una know say me and moringa. Yes, moringa can be able to do a lot to those two ailments by bringing them down. Yes, if una no know how as una go take apply am, make una tell me for my comment section. My number is on my about, how you can be able to use moringa to bring down your high blood pressure or to bring down your sugar level. They are all medicinal plants. They be vegetable wey get little or no side effect if you use them the way I say make you take use them. My country people, it's not the end of the world. The fact say you get sickness wey no get cure no mean say na death sentence. No, there are things you can still do about it. Manage it, change your lifestyle drastically. You go see the way everything go take a change. All the sickness wey I mention so, they no dey show for face, but they are deadly. They can strike at any time. That is why you have to go get a diagnosis and you now know how you are going to control it. And when you want to switch to herbal medicine, please and please and please make una let una doctor know, so that it go even help una, tell una how una go take the manage the herbal medicine with the English one, or it go just tell una say see how una go take dey use the herbal medicine. But una know me, the herbal medicine is the best. I love you all, and I see you all in my next video. Bye.